Hello. Today I'm going to talk about things that you do in your life and how they may help you later. From a young age, I wanted to be a law enforcement officer or detective, although my grandfather was the only one in my family that was in a law enforcement career. He was a magistrate in New Jersey. To become a law enforcement officer, you had to be 21 years old, at least in New York City where I grew up. So at 14 or 15, I started working in the construction industry as a gopher, go for this, go for that, and built my way up all the way to crew leader, working for different construction companies and learning different parts of the trade. At around 23, I got married, had my daughter, and we ended up moving to Florida. Once in Florida, my wife and I started a construction company and worked that for approximately 10 years. At the end of that 10 years, Hurricane Charlie hit and destroyed the area, and there was a ton of work, more than we had handled before that. So hired approximately a dozen people to work for us, and things were going good, so I thought. Well, it turned out that several of the people were stealing from us, and being we were both in the field, we didn't have time to keep track of the books, and it just got very frustrating. We lost a lot of money, finished all the work, and ended up decided to take a break from construction. So in taking the break, I put an application in at the local sheriff's department and the local corrections department at the prison. Put them both in on the same day. A couple weeks later, got a call from the prison, and they hired me. Went there, worked for approximately 7-8 months, and then got a call from the sheriff's department that they wanted me to come work for them. At that point, I left corrections at the prison and then went to work for the sheriff's department in the jail. While working at the jail, several programs had come up, inmate programs, where they wanted to build a fish pond, hydroponics, several different things, and the major found out that I knew construction, came from a construction background, so he asked me to run the program. So for approximately 2 years at the jail, I ran the construction and hydroponics program, built a fishing dock, built a hydroponics center, and got those programs up and running. By doing that, I got to meet and work with the sheriff, all the command staff, the majors, the captains, and got to know a lot of people. Once that project was complete, I was able to transfer out to the road, into the law enforcement that I wanted to be. And again, it helped me meet a lot of the higher people, the construction, dealing with all different people, different types of people, from trailers to mansions. It really helped me for the law enforcement, because now dealing with people in the public, it's a lot easier. It has built interpersonal skills. So although the two seem very unrelated, in the long term, I think it will make me be a better officer and a better dealing with people. But that's just what I'm saying is, although I ended up getting where I wanted to start from, it was a long way around, but I believe it really did help me. And without that experience, it would have been a different struggle towards the end here, or maybe have never gotten to what I wanted to do in the first place. But just wanted to pass that on, how it shows some things that you do will help you later, whether it seemed to be connected or not. I think everything is connected in some way. But just wanted to pass that on and let you know. Thank you.